Hey guys, so I wanted to come on here and just speak to all of you guys from my heart. I think a lot of times we're going for jobs. I don't care if they're direct hire, contract, whatever. We are in a time period where everything across the board is just crazy. Every industry, not just tech. So don't think you just safe because you're not in tech and you're seeing stuff happen in tech. I have friends in multiple industries, from healthcare to teachers, who have unfortunately experienced this crazy market shifting the way companies are doing business, whether they're getting bought out, they're scaling down, or whatever. And so specifically, like being a part of a company, they bought another company and then they hired brand new people for their company. So this is just from me to you. Don't get discouraged. Like, roles are still out there. This one we gotta push through. Opportunities are still out there. You have a skill set. When you have a skill set, you can go somewhere else. Yes, you are competing against more people, but you got to do the work to stand out. How was I able to, me and my husband, to still, do something in a 2 week time period? I wasn't even in the market. So I just say, from me to you, I don't want to say have patience, but be persistent and consistent and know that opportunities are still out here, okay? Be safe.